All right, guys, we're going to use a metronome to practice this piece when we're putting it all together. My clarinet teacher, when I was growing up, used to practice all of his pieces super duper slow up until just a couple days before a performance to make sure his technique was down and clean. So we're going to start off. This is a really old metronome. I think it's older than I am, but it's good. We're going to start off. I like it because it tells me my tempo markings, like largo. So we're going to start off at largo. I'm going to put it, move my camera. Oops, now you can maybe see it. Right, so I'm going to try and play the entire piece at, how many beats per minute are we? 63 beats per minute. So you can use digital ones that are available for free online. Google has one. But low tech is sometimes fun too, and I'll show you why in a bit. So this is Sawmill Creek with repeats. Really slow. I might have to take more breaths than is written. Get my hands in here. Ready, play. One, two, three, 4, 2, 2, ready. Now, if you tried playing along with me and you found that that was too quick for some of the parts of the music, you need to identify what those parts are and play them even slower. Then try to increase those tiny little pieces to 63 beats per minute. Once you have them up to 63, take them up a notch, just a notch, and try playing through it again. This type of practicing is deliberate and it's slow, but it reaps great benefits. So, we just finished off. We were at, according to my metronome, right, 63 beats per minute. So then, yeah. So one notch is 3 beats per minute more, 66. So we're going just a little bit over a beat a second. And eventually, you can get it up to performance speed this way. So have fun practicing. And once your performance, make sure you record it and send it to me. Have fun.